This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
In this video, I want to show you how to get publicity from large online publications using helpareporter.com, and I'll have the link to it in the resources of this video. Here's how you do this. Remember a site like Radio Guest List that I just talked about? They send you emails with radio shows and podcast hosts that are looking for guests. This is going to work in a similar way, except this is journalists who are going to send queries, and this site aggregates all the queries and sends it to you 3 times a day. And you can answer as many as you want. There's usually way more queries from this site than there are for the radio shows and podcasts, and there's a lot more competition against you for which pitch is going to get chosen. So it's harder here, but from this site I've gotten mentions on Mashable, CBS News. It's crazy. I really got like big publicity from this site, and it works just about exactly the same as Radio Guest List. So I'll post the link in the description, in the resources of this video, and all you do is just sign up for it, get the emails, keep answering them, and after you become good at answering them, you have to have really good, insightful answers, because the competition on this site, precisely because you can get like noticed in Mashable or anything like these huge websites, it's like really competitive because there's a lot of people like you answering the queries, so your answers must be amazing. And that's really the key to success on this site, is that your answers have to be really, really insightful. So only choose the ones that you really feel qualified for. And then the amazing thing is, with Radio Guest List, with this site, you see, they're all going to link to your app URL. They're all going to link to your website. And then guess what? Remember earlier in the course when I talked about how to do SEO for your app URL and for your website so that they can rank highly in search? This is exactly how you do it. You get mentions, and then your URLs rank in Google, and you're gonna do that strategy of Google search for your app like a pro.